everyone, welcome to the channel. Okay, because people have been saying, girl, you were saying China. I'm like, which one is your own? Because guess what, I have an accent. If you don't yet know, I have an accent. I'm from the motherland, Nigeria, in Africa. And yes, but I live in Houston, Texas. You can see more of my family channel by clicking that link over there. Just see what we get doing besides here. So if you have not yet subscribed, if you're one of those people that you're just watching me for the first time, please do subscribe. Click that subscription bell down below, because YouTube will not show you videos if you don't click the notification bell and also subscribe. And thank you to all my lovely people that have subscribed and have been watching me and my children for years and years. Thank you. I love you so much. In the last video that you watched, if you've not watched it, you can go and watch it. I showed you how to make aloe vera juice. You don't have to buy your aloe vera juice anymore. This is aloe vera juice. I show you how to make it. And today, as promised, I'm going to show you how I use it to moisturize my hair. I'm going to take the aloe vera and I take the juice and I'm going to spray it directly on my hair. You see how it sprays out like water? Yes, because it's a juice. So when I spray it in my hair, I'm going to rub it in my hair very well. Make sure you can also spray it on your scalp. Yeah. And don't worry, you're not going to get residue like how some other people are getting it. You will not if you watch the video that I showed previously showing how to make it the right way. Next thing, I'm going to take oil. Now, this is my oil bottle. My oil bottle consists of almond, sweet almond oil. I also have oils from the Be Natural Body Cakes Be Natural hair oil. This is really good. I'm going to use that for my scalp. And I also have an IQ Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So all that good oil is in here. I'm going to take some of that oil and I'm going to put it in my hair like this. Okay. So make sure you get it in your hair, and once you've done that, you seal in that moisture. You're going to add a cream. This is my Wonder Curls cream, and this is a sealing butter. Okay, sealing butter. So it's a thick butter. You could use your shea butter right now if you want. So take that. Yeah, if you don't have these products, you can use your own products. And I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use it to seal in the moisture from everything I've added in, the aloe vera. You know, I'm just putting that real well, and it's gonna lock it in. Make sure you concentrate at the ends of your hair. And one thing is this: when your hair is really moisturized, guess what's gonna happen to the ends of your hair? You see that? Let's show you. Your ends of your hair will start curling up really nicely. Okay, see that curl? Yeah, that's what happens when your hair is happy. Now this side has been well moisturized, and you can see the difference. So you see this is well moisturized here. You see how my curls are popping and everything looks so nice and succulent. Now let me show you hair that has not yet been moisturized. It's limpy. It feels dry. It's tangly. See? It's tangly. And it has a look that I don't like. So here is hair that is not moisturized, and here is hair that is moisturized. You can see how much fullness, how much body it is. So now you can see the difference between this moisturized and not moisturized. You see, no shine whatsoever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and share this with your friends, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.